Information is everywhere. It's in the news report you watch, the recipe for your favorite cake, even the instructions for a new video game. But what makes writing truly informative? It's simple. It tells the truth. It doesn't spin a fantasy tale, it deals in reality, aiming to educate or instruct. The single most important rule is to separate fact from opinion. This is where many writers trip up. You can't say, spiders are creepy. That's your personal feeling, an opinion. Instead, you must state a verifiable fact. Spiders are arachnids. One is subjective, the other is objective truth. Think of it this way. I think chocolate ice cream is the best is an opinion, but ice cream is made from milk, cream, and sugar is a fact. Informative writing is all about that second sentence. You become the expert, teaching your readers something they don't know. To do this well, you need the right tools. Use clear, easy-to-understand language and specific vocabulary that belongs to the topic. If you're writing about plants, you'll use words like photosynthesis. A good structure is also key. Headings and paragraphs guide your reader through the information, making it easy to digest. You see this in everything from science reports and biographies to how-to guides. Finally, always ask yourself, who am I writing for? Explaining the solar system to a professional astronomer requires a very different vocabulary than explaining it to a classroom of 9-year-olds. Your writing must match your audience to be effective. So, remember the core principles. Stick to facts, ditch personal feelings, use clear language with the right topic words, and always know your reader. That's how you turn simple information into powerful knowledge.